2007 Jaguar XK R. So here's how you take off the steering wheel airbag, because I know there's no other videos on YouTube for this, so I figured it out. But so you guys see these things right here? So when you come in from the back, the back side, I'll show you that in a second. Coming from the back side like this, you have to get this in there. In order to do that, you put it in, you twist it like this, then you pull on the airbag at the same time. So I'll show you what that looks like. So this sits in here. So it sits right in there. So you see these holes? So you put in just like this, same way. You'll go in, then you'll twist. And it doesn't really matter which way you twist, as long as you twist and you pull on the airbag out at the same time, and that will pop it. That will pop it because you're pretty much pinching on this to push in, and you pretty much got to wiggle the airbag. So you got to wiggle on one side, they'll pop a little bit, and then you do the other side and they'll pop a little bit and they'll come off. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe.